Thank you guys for watching this video. Tell me if you liked it. I had a lot of fun making it, but a couple things went wrong. One of the first things is on the small truck, the Teton, one of the wires popped out of the plug for the battery. And then both of the big trucks, the orange one and the red one, both have like bad batteries that have gone bad just over the years. But we have to go replace those, which is like $60. But expect more RC videos to come in the future. Like this video and share with your friends.